Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. Thanks for joining, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're live back at it again. I'm Bob My Money. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday, Friday, Friday. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. I hope everyone is doing fantastic this morning. Pandas. Let's get it. Let's get it. Friday. Sometimes you kind of like Fridays. You kind of like the fact that you could take a break from trading and just reset, come back next week, even better. You know what I mean? Crimson Demon, good morning. Chaos Amon, good morning. Oh, good afternoon, I guess. Depends where you're from. Day Trader and drop a GM in the chat. Also, scap that like button if you haven't already. The new Warzone is out, and it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. I haven't played Warzone in so long. I tried to go short on this trap. It ends up being a nice second entry short, but outside bar reversal, so I just skipped it. We're 0-1 right now, Pandas. I mean, I took that trap. I hope today's better than yesterday. Yesterday's price action was absolute trash. Hoping for something better today. Let's see. If for some reason I feel like maybe not. Maybe not. Some reason maybe not. We did have news this morning. It might be hard to tell when the news happened, but it happened with this bar here. It might not look like a big move, but this moved up 70 points. This one bar is 70 points large. That one spike up. Enough to obviously pass any eval. Obviously enough to pass any eval here. Lower high, maybe interested here. I don't know. We have a huge gap down again today. Lower high. I'm gonna set my pause. Wait till market opens. Set my pause. Wait till market opens here. How much threshold do I have? Of about $2,000 of threshold. We're good. We are a-okay here. 2K at threshold here. Yeah, 2K at threshold. We're good. We are fine and dandy right now. 2K at threshold is all I need. Jeremy Jalen, good morning, mate. Keep it going. Did you read Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas? I haven't. I heard it's a great book. I've like seen some YouTube clips of Mark Douglas speaking. I'm guessing his materials from the book, like most of his content. Three loss differentials going to keep us alive here, but these candles are huge. These candles are huge, meaning basically one contract per trade, unless it's like a really amazing trade. Lower high here. Maybe waiting for a second to short again. Market opening 5 minutes, so might have to wait till then. Okay, spike down. Maybe the lower high was good enough. I think I gotta take a short trade here though. If we get a second to short here, I gotta try. I'm kind of creating a triangle maybe here. But I like this triangle right underneath the 20 MA. If we can get one more push up and then one more push down, that's my setup, right? That's exactly what I want. It's basically a second to short. That's all I want right here. 2 legs up. And we will get in here if we can do that. It's an inside bar. Breaks to the downside on the inside bar. Market doesn't give us our setup. Okay. Market doesn't give us our setup. We lose our setup now that we broke this pivot low. Counts reset. I wanted to push down. Basically, this made the 1-to-1. Came back up. Take all your runners out. And it pushes down again. I think I'm bearish right now. But now we broke. Make a new low. I don't know if I can go low here. It's a little far away from 20 MA. All right, pushes back up. I mean, it feels like I'm actually long on the 2500 tick chart. Only problem is the 2500 tick chart, the candles are 75 points large. It doesn't look that big, but these are huge candles. It's a 60-point candle. These candles are huge, pandas. They're over 20 points large, which I kind of like, right? It means there's volatility back in the market. I really hope we actually get good price action during the regular trading session because the price action has been better in the overnight session. Like, I'd rather be trading the overnight session because of the price action being so trash in the actual regular trading session. Sit on my pause here. Let this play out, whatever. Wait till market opens. Pandas! Let's get it today. Pablo Escobar. Can we get one green day this week, please? I mean, we had green days like Monday, Tuesday. But Wednesday and Thursday, 2 red days. I mean, I need a nice green day today. I need a really nice green day today. I'm shooting for 2K profits today. That's what I'm aiming for. I mean, aiming for 2K profits. Let's get it. Let's see what the market gives us, though. My max today will be 2K, not the usual 1.5. We're going to shoot for 2K today. Pandas! Second entry short. Just wait till market opens. Just wait for something good here. Hopefully the opening session or the opening will give us some good volatility. I mean, we are getting volatility. Like, these candles are huge, pandas. Don't get me wrong. Another inside bar here. Breaks to the downside. No opportunities. Thinking for a second entry short would be nice. All right. Market opening in 2 minutes here. OI pattern on the 2500 tick chart. I don't know. Okay, good. I actually wanted that to happen. Let's see if we can come back down here. Actually gonna wait till market opens. Market opens in 1 minute here. Getting a big spike up here. If we break this low, it's gonna be really good for us. Oh, I don't want to trigger prematurely here. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Trap on the 2500 tick. We gotta time this perfectly, though. We have to time this so incredibly perfectly. 10 seconds to market opens. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going in. Oh! Whoa! All right. All right. Do I still have threshold? I still have $1,000 threshold. Whoa! That was wild. That was wacky. Trapped us trigger. Trapped us trigger. And it took me out immediately. Alright, fair enough. Fair enough. I might bust these accounts. I'm sorry, pandas. I don't know. We'll see. Looks like the algorithms are just buying up everything right now. Saying, oh, this is a great price. I'm just buy everything. Goodness gracious. We are buying everything up right now. Wow, pandas. I mean, I tried. Unfortunately, I gotta actually like. This is crazy. It's actually crazy. Today, volatility is insane. Volatility is actually insane. In this channel. Wow. Pandas. Right at the open. I thought we got a nice trap trade. I mean, looked like a S tier type setup, so I went for it. I don't feel bad taking that trade. It's just unfortunately it doesn't work out for me. I don't feel bad taking that trade at all. Yeah, I do feel bad taking that two contracts. We are negative 1,430. Pretty painful. We still got $1,000 of threshold left. Let's see if we can make something of it. Today I'm ignoring 3 loss differential. We're gonna just go for it today, pandas. We're cranking it. Freaky Friday, that's what we're calling it. Lower or high. Lower or high here. Okay. Feels like entry long is what I'm looking for at this point. Needs to go back up though. I need to go to go back up a little bit. Okay, it's not going back up. It's not giving me any opportunity to go short. Okay, looking for a short trade. Thoughts and prayers. We're going for it. Thoughts and prayers. Fails like entry long here. CL fails like entry long. Looking for it. In this trade. Fails like entry longs have been really bad for me. I think I just busted all my counts. Man, the fails like entry longs are failing like crazy. I think all the counts got busted, pandas. Actually, no. Wait, we're still in. Are we still in? Okay, just 5 accounts. All right, we're still in. I gotta take off these. Pandas. Fortunately. Unfortunately here. Missed that. Couldn't get in. I tried to get in. It just blew right through my order. Just one of those days. Man, pandas. It just blew right through my order. There's nothing I can do about that. Absolutely nothing I can do about that. Blew right through my order. I wanted it to. And there she goes. There she goes. This is going to be very hard to bring these back to life, I'll tell you that much. Very hard to bring these back to life. We have like $200 a threshold. $200 a threshold here. Pushing up pretty hard, actually. Pandas, I don't know. I think these accounts are dead. I think these accounts are absolutely smoked. Big bear bar. Anion's low. Pushing down. I'll take a second to short, sure. What do I have to lose here? Give me a second to short, I'll take it. Doesn't give me anything here. Doesn't trigger the second to short. Just flushes down. Man, pandas, that's rough. I mean, I took the fail second to short. These have been failing a lot. I do not know why. It's just super frustrating. Super frustrating. This fail second short fails. This second entry fail second. This failed second entry long fails. This fails second entry long fails. It's just, and they're usually very reliable trades, but it's not today. The day I needed them. Very unreliable. All right. Oh, accounts got busted. Accounts are still alive somehow. Accounts still alive. Accounts are all busted now, I think. Might as well hold. Might as well hold here. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Lots of reversals today. I don't like it. It's going to reverse hard here, huh? We'll hold. Might as well hold. Might as well hold here. I don't know if I can take another reversal back up. Okay, sure. I gotta get rid of that one. I gotta get one of that one failed. That one failed account is messing everything up right now. Going in, going short. We can't get any smooth moves. One way or another, it's very choppy. Coming all the way down. It's coming out break even here, pretty much. We have no smooth move. I made one contract for some reason now. Okay. I mean, not much happened. It just became super choppy again. This is one of those days. I hate these days, pandas. I mean, it's just nothing you can do about it. It is what it is. I mean, I still have 5 accounts alive, or I have 4 accounts alive. One got busted in the heat of things there. I still have 4 accounts, pandas. I mean, it's just crazy. Like, I hate this price action. What can I do when the price action looks like this? Not much. Not much. Can't do much here when it looks like this. Nonsense. Feels like an entry short here, maybe. Pan, this is rough. This is rough. I mean, today it was doomed. My accounts were doomed, right? Once this trap fails, another trap fails here. So many failed traps. At the open, we lost the trade immediately. It's just, we were doomed to fail here. Just one of those days. One of those. ATR is huge, like 20-point ATR right now. 14 period. Okay, failed trap here. Could be decent short. Could be a decent short here. Okay, I'm in this trade and I don't know. Got in a really bad position here. Let's protect some bamboo maybe. Just protect some bamboo here. Are we swinging this? Protect some bamboo. Swing one. Protect some bamboo here. I mean, if we make it lower high, I mean, that's nice. Even better. Feels like entry long. Even better. Feels like entry long if we trigger this. Let's push down hard. Why not? What do we have to lose at this point? Nada. Got nothing to lose, pandas. Oh, this market is trash though. It keeps it's just no good swings here, pandas. No good swings, like no good swings. We lose this, but we win this. I mean, essentially break even. No good swings, pandas. Super frustrating. It basically comes back, takes you up break even here. I don't know. I can't find any good swings. Lots of chop. Too much chop here. Try to get some more follow through. Nothing's working right now. Nothing's working for me. I mean, we got the general direction right. We are going down. Jeez, I just hate days like today, pandas. I just hate days like today. It's just like yesterday. It's just so much chop. So much chop. It's moving, but it's like moving in super choppy ways. I mean, obviously I could have held that, but man, that's just super frustrating. Super frustrating comes up like that. Right, keeps going down, trickles down, spikes up, trickles down, spikes up. It's all day, all day. Just like yesterday, super frustrating. Lower high, probably a really good trade, but not going to take it. Another fail second entry long maybe here. It's just it's hard to go short. It's hard to go short with stop limit orders right now. It's a limit order market. Surprisingly limit order market though. Surprisingly a limit order market here. Super frustrating. Okay, last attempt down here. Super late in trend. We'll try anyways. A big spike up. See, hard to find shorts here because it keeps having these big pullbacks, like nasty pullbacks, real nasty pullbacks here. I mean, I still have four accounts alive. I can try. I'm trying to keep them back alive. I mean, we lost one. We lost one soldier, pandas. We lost one soldier in the midst of all that. We lost one soldier in the midst of all this nonsense. So much chop here. I hate it. I absolutely hate this kind of market. It is not a good market to trade again. Pushes up here. It's not a second entry short I can take because the first leg's above the 20 MA. In fact, you're looking for a new high at this point, like a second entry long. Okay. The second entry long doesn't trigger, but it goes up. Still maybe opportunity to take a second entry long here. Second entry short does trigger and looks like it's working out a little bit. I can't take the trap here, of course, because we still have unfinished business. We need to make a new high here. It's a good looking signal bar to go long. So even the failed second entry long here, I can't take it. I cannot take it. The failed second entry long, I can't take it. Because we have unfinished business. We got to make a new high here. But this trap looks like it might work out nicely. It's all good. All good, baby, baby. I had reasons why not to take this trade. Because I'm looking for a new high here at this point. Trap reverses, but ultimately pushes down hard. Very hard now. Probably looking for new low now. New low made. All right, fair enough. I've been a hard trade to hold as well. New low was made. Maybe. All right. Look at these pullbacks. Like, it's just crazy. This is complete choppiness on the 2500 tick chart. Complete choppiness. 2500 tick. 5 minute. Nothing smooth. It's going down, but it's like, I don't know. We're double bottoming here. It's just like the pullbacks are so deep. Like if I'm trying to find like an S tier trade, like every single S tier trade I thought I could take today has failed, and it is what it is. Unfortunately, with super high volatility, you actually get a lot of chop. Like unusually a lot of chop here. Super high volatility. Okay. Second entry long. Maybe a good trade here. Okay, no second entry long. 5-minute chart breaks a previous candle's high. Breaks a previous candle's high. What can you say? It is what it is. This is going up. Interesting. I mean, I have no setups. I could just buy somewhere, see what happens. I just want an S tier setup. This is flying though, right? You do not want to go short in this breakout. It's basically coming back to test the open, the market open today on the 5-minute chart. And we are there. We're essentially there. It's the biggest bar so far today on the 5-minute chart, and it's a bull bar. Okay. I don't have a setup though. Even though it's a strong move up, like there's no way to get in this, like, you know, unless I just carelessly buy somewhere random. I guess a second entry long, I might look for it. I don't know. I don't even love that trade. Let's fail second entry short. Looks good. Nice pop up. Really nice pop up. Okay. Fail second entry short works out for you. Very nice. Far away from 20 MA, so I can't take it. It just makes a new high. I'm not sure if we can give us more than that. Okay, looks like it's giving us a little bit more. Still very choppy all the way up. Pandas, like, I hate days like today. So much movement, but the movement is nasty. It's nasty. I lost so many accounts. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I lost so many accounts, but pandas. We are on a mission right now. This is called Resurrection Day, pandas. We're bringing these accounts back to life. We're bringing these accounts back to life. Right now, the Apex promo is at 50% off. Absolute trash promo. Right now, definitely check out TPT. Apex is trash right now in terms of their promo. It is the worst promo here. 50% off. Second entry long, I don't know. Am I interested here? With a good signal bar, but that's your signal bar, no thank you. It does go up very quickly, though. Alright, I mean, whatever. We'll see. Scare money makes no money. You know what I mean? Scare money makes no money. Just give me a win here. I just need a win. I just need a win. You know what I mean? I just need to get back on the right side of things. Just give me a small win here, pandas. Thank you. How many points was that? It's just a 20-point trade. That's it. I think I made the right decision. Just go for the win. Just go for that small win. Small scalp win. 1-to-1 was hit like perfectly. Lower high. Second just short forming here. Always in long on the 5-minute chart. Interesting. I wasn't expecting that. 5-minute turn always in long. The moment this bar closed, people just bought it up. We basically came back to the open and retested it. Could be a morning reversal, right? We can reverse all the way back up, fill the gap. You know how much the market loves filling the gap. Like, it just loves filling the gap. It's like its favorite thing to do. Feels like I just short. I guess I'll try again. Feels like I just short. We gotta trigger it though. I'm not going in early here. All right. If you give me this setup, I'll try. I shall try. Doesn't look pretty. Doesn't feel pretty. I'll tell you that much. Pushing down again. Does not feel pretty here, no. Doesn't this feel like a bad trade? Let's just go one contract here. I don't feel too good about this trade. Oh, I pattern now. Oh, I pattern breaks to the downside. I don't think I definitely don't want this trade anymore. Definitely don't want this trade. Hoo-wee! What a day. What a day it is today, pandas. We are getting it, though. We're just being patient here. We still have, like, lots of threshold left. Lots of threshold left here to deal with. Lower high. OI pattern on the 2500 tick chart. Curious what the 5 minute's going to do. That's what I'm most curious about. Got a double top here. OI pattern breaks to the downside. Fails like entry long. Another good setup here. Fails like entry long. Another good setup. Let's see if we can get it. Fails like an entry long. Another good setup here. Whoa, that's a
2500 tick trap.
pretty good signal bar to go long. I don't know if I like the fails like entry long anymore. Definitely not anymore. Whoa, this is blasting off. Can we get more? Does the market want more? I'm going to assume this is the channel right now. Popping off now. Maybe the market wants to fill the gap. It's a huge gap, but I mean, I've seen crazier. I've always seen crazier. I've seen like 100, not 100 tick, like 100-point move happen in 1 second before. I forget what the news was, but it was something that happened, and the market, it was like FOMC or something, and the market moved like 100 points in 1 second. 100 points, pandas. It moved down like 1% in like 1 second. I'm pretty sure it was FOMC. It was like 2 years ago or something like that. Like, I just never, like if you had real money, like, you would have slippage that would have been out of your mind. You would have owed CME, like, bajillion dollars because of the slippage. Big push back down. Okay. All right, I'm going short. Look at this 2500 tick chart. Big bull bar gets knocked back down. Let's... Oh, hello. I mean, I guess a limit order market here. I don't know, pandas. What are we doing here? Gap created here. Small little gap. Probably needs to be filled before anything happens. You want that lower high now. Before you want to go short, you want this gap to fill. I know it's small, but you want this little gap to fill right here. It's a very small little gap, but these don't last very long. You want this to fill before you make your next move. Okay. If you're trying to go short, make sure this gap gets filled. It's gonna haunt you. It's gonna haunt you. All of this is very dangerous, knowing there's a gap up here like this. Another push down on the 5 minute chart. I want to go short somewhere, but I want this gap to fill before I do anything. Like, I want to go short, but I don't think I can, knowing this gap is right here. Like, I'm going to be really mad if I go short here and it just breaks my neck and then fills a gap and then goes back down. You know what I mean? Like, I'm going to feel really stupid knowing I told everyone not to take a trade until this gap gets filled. These gaps don't last very long. This is a tick chart, by the way. So you want these gaps to fill before you make any moves. It's a feels like entry long, though. I don't know. I'm going to go short here. If you're going to go short, you got to go short here, right? But there's a gap above. I just don't want to miss an opportunity to go short. Outside bar reversal, it's fine. Jeez. This gap is haunting me right now. At a certain point, you're so far away from it, you gotta just... Oh! This trap might fail. Pan is what I say. You gotta let this gap fill first. This trap just... depends where you put your stop loss. Some people might put it up here, but still at risk to getting stopped out. You want this little gap to fill here first. Big bull bar. Ending on its high, but gets knocked back down. Like I said, like I wanted to go short, but I can't, knowing this gap is above here. Little gap here between, you see this close and this open, there's a little gap here. I want that to fill before we make a move, before I go short. Almost like, might as well just go long. Might as well go long thinking this gap will fill. That might be a slight edge we have. Gap, okay, gap fills. You see that gap just filled? That's why you don't go short until those little gaps fill. That is why you don't go short, bandas. I'm glad I listened to my own advice, because I was tempting to go short there. Notice how every, like, fail second entry long has failed. Like, I want to go long now. I think I'm going to go long here. Let's go long. Let's see what happens. Every fail second entry short has failed, like... Okay, I mistimed that. I couldn't even get in. I mistimed that. Couldn't even get in. I want to go long, but I couldn't. I mistimed that. Like, it's hard, pandas. I'm telling you, it's hard. When the market's this volatile, it's hard to even get in a trade. I need to work on my hand-eye coordination. What in the world? My paw-eye coordination. Outside bar on the 5-minute chart, just wacky price action, right? It's a IO pattern now. We're in breakout mode. 1 more minute for this candle to finish. We could be in an uptrend now. Just a solid uptrend. Could be the case. I wouldn't be surprised at this point. Right? Every fail second entry short has like failed so far. And that's why my counts are in shambles because of that. I mean, we made some back. We're up like we still have like $1,000 a threshold. We still got this, pandas. I'm trying to gain $2,000. It's unfortunate I lost a couple soldiers along the way. You know what I mean? It's unfortunate I lost a couple soldiers along the way here. Feels like I just short coming off our trend line. I actually like that trade. But I don't want it to come back and retrace me because at that point it can just reverse. Yeah, that's a deep retracement. I don't want that. Another push up, maybe interested? Not S tier by any means, but maybe interested. Okay. We broke this low, no longer interested in going long. No longer interested in going long here. Interesting, right? This trap fails, this trap fails. We're just like, every trap is failing. Just means the limit order market, in my opinion. We might be at the top of a range here. Okay. Oh, a high pattern on the 500 tick. Jeez Louise, what in the world? Very difficult to trade, in my opinion. Okay, just watching. I want to go short here because I feel like we're on the top of a trading range. Like if I were to draw a trading range today, it would be something like this, I guess. We didn't quite hit the top of it though. I don't know. Lower high here. Lower high. I mean, it feels like entry long is my best setup, but all those have been failing so far today. Could just be a deep pullback. Okay. Lower high triggers. It's an IO pattern on the 5-minute chart, so we're in breakout mode. Usually what forms is another inside bar, right? It's an IO inside outside, right? This bar is inside this bar, so we call this an inside outside breakout mode. Usually the next bar is also an inside bar, and then we try to make a move there. Fail second entry long, I guess is my setup here. I'm trying to look for it. Don't be lazy. Draw these trend lines. This channel here could be the reason why you don't enter this fail second entry long. Not enough room to the bottom of the trend line. Could bounce off of it and then go back to the top of the channel here. I've seen it happen many times. Okay, zooms back down. Right, just take the hit. Right, no reason to take more pain than it is. I try to come back to the bottom of the channel. Second entry short here. Second entry short. Terrible signal bar. Terrible signal bar. I don't think I can take a second entry short here. Maybe fail second entry short. I don't know. It's tough. Second entry short here. I could try. That's your signal bar. So bad. Such a bad signal bar. I guess I'll try this. I don't know. You want a new low, though. That's the problem. You want a new low. That is the crux of the issue. You want a new low here. New low created now. All the fail second entry longs are failing. This is like a trap city, double trap city. Fail trap city. Lots of these setups are failing. At a certain point, the fail second entry longs, I mean, if they fail too much, this is going to blast off to the upside. A lower high here. We actually do make a new low right there. Lower high underneath the 20 EMA. That's the issue, right? That's what we're seeing here. Lower, like we're building a pressure underneath the 20 EMA and the bottom of this channel. Okay. No setups. It's just wacky. I just want one good setup, Pandas. Can I get one good setup? Is it too hard to ask? Can I just get one fine setup? Like this was a good setup. I tried to get in. I couldn't get in. I mean, can I get one good setup that I can actually get in? Jeez. OI pattern here. Okay. OI pattern breaks to the upside. Still complete choppiness. No trades here right now. I think I took the only reasonable trade here, to be honest. Right, this is your second entry short, but bad signal bar. I think that's the only reasonable trade right there. And of course fails, but something about it failing or working that OI pattern on the 5-minute chart now. I guess, I don't know. Seems like the trade here. Seems like the trade here. We shall see. Okay, how much risk can I handle here? That's a problem. The risk is huge. OI pattern again. Breaks to the downside. Like I can't take that much of a retracement here. Like I can't take this much risk here. Like if it pumps all the way back up, I can't take that risk. I just simply cannot take that risk. OI pattern. I don't know, Pandas. This is tough. Too tough here. Lots of back and forth. Very little risk to have right now. Like $800 basically. $800 of threshold right now. Unfortunately, that made it so I couldn't even hold onto that trade. Good trade though, I guess. I mean, it works out at the end for me, like the way I thought it was gonna go. It's just unfortunate. I can't hold onto that because the amount of risk you have to hold is insane. And the market's like this, right? Very choppy, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Right? Keeps going back up. I mean, I might as well take advantage of it. Might as well just have like limit order sells like at the break of every candle high. Might as well at this point. It's so choppy. I should just buy down here. Just buy here. Watch it bounce back up. Sell here, buy here, sell here. Just keep doing that. It's been doing that all day. Like I said, just buy. I should just bought there. I should just sold here. Okay, another failed second entry long. And we're going to get wrecked here again. But let's do it with style. Let's do it with style, pandas. Let's do it with style. Failed trap? Jeez. Just gone short at the break of that high, huh? Just gone short at the break of that high. Like I said, just buy here, sell here. That's what's happening. I mean, it's happening all day. It's a super tight channel here. Virtually impossible to trade in these conditions. I don't know what's happening. I know what's happening, but I can't trade this way. It's just not my style. I'll just tell you, the moment I try to go short here, it's going to like just break out. This happens to me way too many times. It's happened to me way too many times. The moment I try to sell the top, it's going to break out and reverse. It's happened to me way too many times. Look at this. I mean, this is what you're dealing with, this type of price action. But, I mean, ultimately, my trade worked. I just couldn't handle the, the risk here. My trade, I mean, at the end was like a 75-point move. Jeez. Guess I should just stuck to my guns. Might as well at this point. Like, these accounts, like, they're kind of like on their last leg here. They're kind of on their last leg here. The 5-minute 1-to-1. It's just like yesterday, pandas. Crazy volatility, but very terrible movement. Very terrible price. 1-to-1 was made on that inside bar OI pattern. Right? IOI, like I said, on the IO pattern, usually another inside bar is created, and then you take the trade based off that inside bar. That's what I try to do, but I was thinking maybe it'll come back up here. I just can't handle that risk. It's too much risk for me. Just keep making lower lows. 5 pushes down so far. No entries. Terrible price action. Again, just sitting my pause here. I don't know. Weil says, my stock portfolio was up 30K this year. I'm now down 2K. Oh my gosh. Honestly, you're fine. You should be happy. If you're a young person, like, if you're, like, under 40, you should be happy. You should be happy the stock market's crashing. It just means that you can stock up more. Wow. All right. Whatever. I mean, just impossible. You're trapped out of this trade. The moment I try to go in, it's gonna break my neck. It's gonna break out here the moment I try to go. Where's my overnight low? It's way down here. Okay, it's pretty far down. Most likely going to test the overnight low. The 5-minute low, new low on the 5-minute chart about to be created here. I wonder if we're going to make a big trading range based off that. Big down, big up. Gosh, I don't know, man. I just hate markets like this. Look at this. Look at this. No second entry shorts, all first entries, but every first entry is just like a couple ticks beneath the previous one. I mean, it's just disgusting. Absolutely just disgusting. I wish we had really good movement. I wish we had really clean movements, but we don't. I mean, this is just like, it's a small pullback bear trend, essentially, and it's a breakout on the higher time frames. We made a new low. The 5-minute chart. Incredible. 7 pushes down without breaking the previous pivot high. I could have sold anywhere, made money. I had the trade right here, pandas, and I let it go. I was too worried to bust my accounts. I was too worried about the content. Alright, forget content. I'm trading how I want to trade now. Like for me, busting my accounts means I have less content. So I'm scared to bust my accounts. Like otherwise I really wouldn't care, to be honest. Jeez. I mean, that was the trade of the day right here. How many points is that? I missed out on 141 points. That's it. I missed out on 141 points. That's it. That is it, pandas. That's all I missed out on. I guess I'm trying to go short. I don't know. Second entry short. Is this still first entries only? Is it going to be like 21st entries in a row? I don't know. OI pattern. Okay. 8th push down might fail. First time a first entry. Oh, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. I thought it would be the first time first entry failed, but spoke too soon. Still works out. Made a new low. Spoke too soon. Okay. 9 pushes down, probably. Maybe we should have just sold right there. Okay, finally we broke a previous pivot high. First time after 8 pushes down on this grind down here. Whoo-wee. That is rough. Rough. First touch off the 20 EMA in a while. Good looking signal bar. Might as well go short here, see what happens. I mean, that's your signal bar right now. Gonna wait a little bit here. That's your signal bar. Gonna wait. Got 3 overlapping bars in a row. Second just short, possibly here. We need one more push up. Looking for a second just short. Nope. OI pattern triggers. And if we make a new low here, then we lose it all.
2500 tick trap.
So don't have any setups. Absolutely no setups here. We don't even touch the 20 EMA. Sitting on my pause, I don't know. Just waiting. I don't know what I'm waiting for, but I'm waiting. Waiting for something better than this. I don't know. I am trying to go short, but I have no setup, pandas. I mean, it is what it is. I have no setup for it. It's pushing down hard. I mean, I can't get in. I can't get in here. I cannot get in here. Lower high. I just can't get in. I want to go short. No second entry short here. Just lots of overlap. I mean, it's just, I don't know. All right, I'm going short here. I mean, the moment I go short, it's gonna just rip. Wow, just blast off the other way. Do I still want to go short here? Is the question. Why not? Why not? It's good as any other trade. OI pattern. Okay. Now we finally touched the 20 EMA. Good signal bar off the 20 EMA. It's not really a setup or of any kind, but it's a good signal bar off the 20 EMA. First entry. Are we getting a second entry here? Is a question. Are we getting a second entry here? Is a question. That's your signal bar. You can't go short with a signal bar that looks like this. You simply cannot. At this point, you're looking for a fail second entry short, in my opinion. You can't go short with when you're this far above the 20 MA. I don't know if I can take a trap here either. I just don't feel bullish at all. I don't feel bullish at all. I'm going to take a failed trap, whatever. Failed trap it is. This trade turns to second entry long, of course. Get me out, get me out, just get me out, get me out, get me out. All right, I'm out. It turned to a second entry long. I'm scared. It's gonna just. I'll take a failed second entry long here. The failed trap triggered above the 20 MA, so it made it hard to take, hard to keep, hard to hold. Let's take a failed second entry long. I'll take it. Absolutely take this trade here. Needs to trigger the second entry long first. Didn't quite trigger it. Just waiting. Sitting on my pause patiently as we wait for our S tier setup here. We're above the 20 MA. Guess I'm still interested in this, but we're above the 20 MA now. Wow. What a push up. What a fantastic push up here. Almost looks bullish. Almost looks and feels bullish now. No longer interested in this short. That's why you wait for your setup, Pandas. That's why you absolutely wait for your setup. Because if I went in prematurely, I would have lost. Lost on it for no reason, basically. Like without any setup or anything. Ends up being a good second entry long. That's why I skunked that trade. Ends up being a nice second entry long. Higher low here. Triggers. Pandas, I don't know. It's tough. The question is on the 5 minute, are we just creating a big trading range here? Big trading ranges. Are we just creating a big trading range like this? Second entry long off our trend line here and a 20 MA. I'd be interested. But you have to give me the second entry long here first. Okay. Can't be too far away from the 20 MA here. It's a bad looking signal bar. It's a really bad looking signal bar. Lots of risk. Lots of risk here. It's an S tier setup in terms of like having everything you need with coming off our trend line and 20 MA.
Target filled.
I'm skunking it. Could have held it. Obviously made a lot of money. Too scared. My mind, my mental capital's gone. I didn't like the signal bar. I didn't like the signal bar. I didn't like the 2500 tick 20 MA in the way. I didn't like a lot of things about it. So I skunked it. And the price I pay is tilt. That's the price I pay. High or low? Good signal bar too. Good looking signal bar. Second inch is short forming on the 2500 tick. Undershoot to overshoot, looks like to me. All right, thoughts and prayers. Here we go. First decent setup, maybe all day. Thoughts and prayers here. First, it's a second entry short off the 20 EMA, 2500 tick chart. First decent setup all day. Let's see if we get some good bamboo here. I'm holding it. Either accounts bust or they resurrect. One or the other here. Accounts bust or resurrect. Give me a 1-to-1 at least here. I have no reason to be scared here, right? I have absolutely no reason to be scared here. I'm assuming the 1-to-1's going to get hit. I'm assuming my 1-to-1's going to get hit here. If it doesn't, then that's just a shame. Absolute shame if my 1-to-1 can't get hit here. Okay, 1-to-1 gets hit. Now can my 1-to-2 get hit? Can the 1-to-2 get hit here, pandas? Can the 1-to-2 get hit before my runner gets stopped out? All bear bars, looking good so far on the 500 tick chart. In my opinion, I might as well just hold it. Swing this. Just swing it as far as I can now. Might as well swing it at this point. It's not like I have threshold to worry about. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for like $2,000 right here. I mean, it's not even the overnight low. It's not even the overnight low. I think we can hit it. That's my goal right now. Either we get stopped out or I hit my goal. Low or high here would be great. Low or high here would be great. Technically, I won a few dollars on that trade 1-to-1. I mean, I'm break even now. Should I just come out break even and then just try to find another trade? Is that fair? I can swing this. Let me just swing this. Let's see how far I can swing this. I'm gonna swing it as I normally swing it. I mean, we have a pivot to we need some pivots to work with. We got the 20 EMA protecting us now. I mean, it's reversing pretty strong. I don't know. It's just kind of market we're in right now. It's a second entry short, 2500 tick chart. I mean, it's the first good setup we got. Low or high, coming off the 20 EMA looks beautiful for me. If we break this low, I'm moving my stop loss to this pivot high. But we got to break this pivot low first. Then we can say we have lower highs and lower lows. Right? If we don't break this pivot low, we don't have a lower low yet. A lower high, but no lower low yet. Hopefully break this pivot low now. A second inch short, I'll come in short again. I'll come in more. This is your channel. Maybe second inch short, I mean, if you give it to me, I actually would love that. I almost prefer that now. I would love that right now. Second inch short here. Market's not giving it to us, which is fine by me because I'm in a trade. It's like a time where I don't mind. Like I don't mind if it's all first entries from now here on out, like how it was before. Like I don't mind if I'm trapped out in a sense of the trade. Okay, looks like we're gonna. I don't want to do it prematurely because we technically haven't broken the pivot low yet. Still haven't broke. There it is. All right. So now I move my stop loss here. We'll keep moving the stop loss with every new swing. All right. This is a swing stop. It's a swing stop because now we are broken the pivot. So now if we go above this, the swing is done. Hope that makes sense. And we're going to keep going. And then once the swing is done, like if it does break this pivot high, then there's a chance it might reverse. That's why we want to take it out here. Like there's a chance it might reverse if it actually hits this pivot. Because then we're no longer making lower lows and lower highs. We've officially like no longer making lower lows and lower highs officially if we break this high or break this pivot high. That's why we want to swing like this. Okay, pushes down again. Technically, I should move my stop loss right here. Technically, I should move it here because we made a new pivot low. Technically. Technically, this is my new pivot low because we popped up and pushed back down. Big push down, but no follow through. Can have a big reversal here. Right, we get a bear trap or exhaustion here. I'm hoping it's not exhaustion. I'm hoping it's just breakout. We keep pushing down hard. Okay, pushes down. I mean, we're still okay here. I have no reason to really get out of my trade. I have no reason to really get out of my trade. I mean, I really don't. Other than, like, I just want to protect some bamboo. You know what? I'll just go out the next reversal. Next reversal of the candle high. Previous candle's high. I'll get out. Next reversal of a previous candle's high. All right, we're out. We're at 1,230. Pandas. I mean, we've had some pretty big pain on these accounts. I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty brutal. Like we were like $800 away from getting stopped out. And we just waited patiently for our setup, and we finally got it. I'm glad I took out that money on that reversal, right? The next reversal up. I'm glad I took it out because it's not looking pretty here. Not looking pretty at all. So I got you short here. It could be a good trade, but I'm officially out of the trade. Ooh, reversal. I don't know. Should I take the reversal up? I really think we're going to test the overnight low. That's the thing. I really think we're going to test the overnight low. Okay. It was trying to reverse, but failed to do so. My original stop loss was right here. I would still be safe, actually. You know what? I actually would still been safe because my original stop loss is right here above this pivot high. And it actually didn't break above it. It just tested it. Oh my gosh. This market is insane. We lost a few soldiers along the way, pandas. We lost a few soldiers along the way. Sorry about that. We lost like 6 soldiers along the way. Unfortunately. We lost 6 soldiers along the way. Lower high. I think we can find a better setup than that. It's not a bad setup, but I think we find a better setup than that. Previous pivot low. Okay. It's like a bear bar or bear flag. Does make a new low here. Bounces right off of it though. The setup's not really strong. The setup's not very strong here. Again, the setup's not very strong, but I'm gonna try whatever. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeez, it always triggers me like that. Please don't come back up. Please don't make like a 19 point push down when my target was 20 points because I couldn't get a good fill. It is what it is, I guess. Wow. It is what it is. Big push up here. Big push up. Right now I have 6 accounts that are, or I have 4 accounts that are good still. 4 accounts that are good. Am I making bank? I mean, not really. It's actually very difficult. Big moves, but not really, right? Look at this. You think it's big moves? Like, do you consider this like big moves? All this chop here? I don't. I absolutely don't. It's actually trash.
2,500 tick trap.
Big push up, but big push back down. Interesting. No. Guess I'll try to go short here. I like a second edge short if I can get it. I prefer the second edge short. I'm thinking we're testing the previous, the overnight low. That's what I'm thinking we're going to test. Maybe bounce off of it, but I'm thinking we're going to test this at least. Lower high, anything at this point would be good. Maybe just sell at the close of the 5-minute bar. That's what I'm thinking here. Sell at the close of the 5-minute. If it's a strong bear bar. Three, two, one. Just sell at the close of the 5-minute. Thinking there's some. Thinking there'd be always in shorts here. Could be wrong. Of course, I could be wrong. I could be really wrong. Limit order bulls rushing in here. Darn. The always in short trade is just not a good trade these days. I can't make too much money here. How much money do I make? 315? 600? Let's make 400. That lower high would be great. Lower high would be great here. I just sold the close of the 5-minute bar thinking we have follow through because it's such a strong move down. I'm proving to be wrong right now. It's proving to be very choppy. Okay, looks like a decent move. I made my 2K. Okay, I made my 2K at Pandas. Like, I'm telling you. I just pandas like I'm up $2,000, but I lost 6 soldiers along the way. I wish I didn't lose them. I wish I didn't lose those 6 soldiers. I really wish I didn't. It's unfortunate. Really unfortunate. I lost those 6 soldiers. Man, oh man. I mean, we're up 2K. But the generals will celebrate. I love that. Toadman, you know what? You just brought a smile to my face. We lost 6 soldiers, but guess what? We won the war. We absolutely won the war. We lost 6 soldiers, but we won the war, pandas. Didn't we at the end? Didn't we just win the war? I mean, we're profitable, right? Right? Those 6 soldiers are lost, but hey, at the end, those are 6 soldiers that... It's not... It's Darrow dollars. I mean... We lost 6 soldiers, but we win the war. Absolutely. Toadman, you're absolutely correct. You know what? Let's look at things on the brighter side. We were up $2,000 on 4 accounts. That's $8,000. I'll take it today. I'll take my 8K today. You lost some battles but won the war. Exactly. Exactly. We have a couple fallen soldiers, but at the end, we come home in victory. Whoo-wee! What a crazy day, pandas. Absolutely just nutsos. Absolute nutsos. Let's jump to TPT now. 2-6. Here we go. Let's jump to TPT. We're trading 5 contracts. Shall we? 4 contracts? I think we should trade 3 contracts because the movements are wild now. Movements are a bit wild now. Let's do 4 contracts. We're trading TPT now. We lost some soldiers along the way, but pandas at the end, we win the war. And I'll take that any day. I'll take that any day. Jeez Louise, though, pandas, like, it was not easy. It was such a grind, so much tilt, and it's painful, pandas. Like, sometimes it's just that painful, you know? You know what? Oh, shoot. I want a new high. I want a new high before we make a move here. Right, I want to break a trend new high before we go short. Wow, but think of the families of those soldiers. I'll send them giveaways. I'll send them giveaways. Pandas, I mean, that was crazy. Wow, your family. We got a trap trade here. I just want a new high to be created. I don't want to take the trap. I just want the new high. And I go, you know, I'll take this failed trap, actually. I'll take a failed trap here. A tenth of the new high fails. It's above the 20 MA. Unfortunately, can't take it. It's above the 20 MA. Failed trap, though. Failed trap. Okay, 4th push up. I'm going short. It kind of looks like it wants to explode, right? There's a lot of pressure here. Hello? Can you fill me, please? Can you fill my trade, please? Right now, my trade's invisible. It's right here, though. Okay, I guess I'm canceling. Whoa, what a push down. I mean, you're thinking you're testing the overnight lows. Give me a fail so I can catch your long. Jeez. It didn't fill my order. Great trade, but I couldn't get in because it just blew right through. That's how you know you're in a really good trade. When you can't even get in it because the market just blows right through it. It was a stop limit order. If you guys don't know, stop limit orders don't have a 100% guarantee. It's a very high chance that it will fill, but it's not a guarantee fill. Feels like entry long here. Let's try. I might get punished here because I'm taking a little bit early. Yeah, okay, I'm in. Looking to test the overnight lows. Let's see if we get it. Okay, looks like it's failing. All right, it's all good. What a rocket ship back up. What an absolute rocket ship back up. By the way, if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm trading TPT accounts right now. This is a 150K account that I'm trying to pass. Let's see where we're at right now. I'll turn on my trade of 8. Extended trading session perhaps today. How do I do this? Oh, failed traps. These traps are just, it's just the bane of my existence right now. Let me turn my trade of 8 on. All right, all you have to focus on is this one account here. That's all you have to focus on. Another trap trade here. Let's try it one more time. Letting it cook. We're letting this one cook this time. Absolutely letting this one cook. It's a 150K account. We need to get it up to $9,000 profit. The next reversal up, I'll take it out. Otherwise, I'm going to let it ride. I'm going to let it cook.
Target filled. Target filled.
All right. We're up 2,000 on these accounts. What's my total right now? I'm up 5,407 on these accounts. 5,407. I can make 2,000 more here. Right? You don't want to make more than 4,500 because you have the 50% consistency rule. Is Tradeovate better than Rhythmic and quality of data? It's not Tradeovate or Rhythmic. Actually, you know what? Is it different? It's CQG. For the most part, I think it's okay. For the most part, I think it's okay. I should let that cook, those 4 contracts, and then I would have been down here. Interesting. Whoops. Need a setup. Need a pullback of some sort. We tested the overnight lows and we broke through it. In a sense, right, there's no stopping us from continuing to just fall here. There's like nothing stopping us from continuing to fall here, to be honest. Like we can just keep falling and falling and falling. Or we can just reverse back up. I don't know. Let's see. We're up 3K now. Oof. Big push back up. Let's hold. Let's hold. I mean, this is bearish. Let's hold. We have nothing to lose here. Let's hold. Hold it.
Target
Okay, made that. Come up, break even now. I can only make 600 more from here. 600 more from here. This is the max I can make today. Otherwise, I'll be breaking the 50% consistency rule. I don't know, 4,500 actually. You know what? Let's just. I think we have a lot here. 4,500. This is the max I can really make. I can't make more than this. Might as well just put this here and just trail my stop loss. Break our previous candle's high. Let's see if we get multiple pushes down. Looks like no. Looks like it wants a big pullback now. Looks like it's supposed to take out my runners. Let's see if we get like lower highs every time. Ooh, hello. All right, so now we're going to take it out on... If we break this high, we're done. Because now we're not making lower highs anymore. Second short forming. All right, so we're done. We made 3K on that trade. We just need 3K more in order to pass these evals. Ooh, second short. Does it work out nicely here? It is working out nicely. Should I look for 1K more, pandas? I need 4,500. I need 1,500. I can make technically 1,500 here. And if we're just on a super strong downtrend, then this might be the best time to try. Second just short ends up working out nicely. No reason to have this anymore. Wow, what a push down. Could have held it. Could have held it. Amazingly gives you a second just short when it never has done that all day today. It finally does. When you don't expect it. Always in short here. I guess the 5 minute. I'll just... Nah, I'll let it ride. Some people might take some profits here. Some people might be taking some profits on the 5 minute chart. It's the biggest bar so far today, and it's late in trend. It's not even that late in trend, but it is like the furthest down in trend, and it is the biggest bear bar. So potentially people taking their profits, but who knows? I still have 1,400 or 1,500 I can make today on these accounts. 1,500. What's my next setup? We're gonna hit circuit breakers. Let me check. Technically, to hit circuit breakers, you need to make like 5% move. Right now, we're at a 4.35. I mean, we're still quite a ways, but we could potentially hit circuit breakers today. I mean, we're going short. I'm going short. You know what I mean? If we're going short, I'm going short. That's it. If you give me a pullback, I'm going short. Deep pullback. People taking some profits here. You know what? I might go long here. I might actually look for a long trade. It's coming out to 20 May maybe, but I'm going a long trade. I think enough people have taken their profits here. Like, people are definitely taking their profits. I think it shows through the price action. A lot of people took their profits here. High or low, maybe. Feels like just short's the best. Definitely people taking their profits here. Like all of this is profit taking. All of this is profit taking, pandas. Just know that. People took their profits here. All of these bulls, all of these bears took their profits here. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 2500 tick chart. Right, closing above the past 2 bars. I mean, it's just a strong move up. The question is, how do I jump in this move up? It's a V bottom right now. The question is, how do I participate here? How in the world can I participate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bull bars in a row. Higher low. I was thinking about just taking the higher low because I'm super eager to jump in. But this is the better trade, the trap. Feels like I just short is a better trade here. Looking to go long here. Let's get some bamboo. Let's get some bamboo, pandas. Whoa! Made too much money. Okay, good. Perfect. 4,475 pandas. We made max on the TPT, funded or made max on the TPT test account. We're about 2,400 or 1,400 away from reaching the goal with the TPT 150K accounts. Pandas! You can see in my TPT, like, I have, like, these are all test accounts. And you can see they're all over the target, right? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, I have a couple more, but I literally can't fit it on the screen. These are all test accounts that are passed. You can see that they're passed because the goal is $3,000, and I'm up 3,035 on them. And so they have 3 trading days. So I just need 2 more trading days. So that means I flip next 2 days and all of these accounts turn pro. So what I'm doing is 5 at a time, right? I'll turn 5 of them to pro. And remember, all of these, they have no activation fee. So they're already paid for. They're already fully paid for. And they just got turn funded. So I'm going to turn them all. Turn 5 of them, and then once like I start losing those pro accounts, because eventually I will, because I trade super aggressive on them, then I just replace them with the new. I just need to take one more trade, right, on my test accounts, and it turns into pro. You know, so I just basically keep these like locked and loaded until I just need one more day of flipping a contract, literally flipping a micro. So you're risking like $1, and it'll turn into a pro account. So. That's the plan, and hopefully I can throw a 150K account in there. And I'll tell you what, pandas, with a 150K account, we're trading. You can trade up to 15 contracts. We can make some serious money with a 150K account, pro account. Think about it: 15 contracts, no consistency rules, 150K account coming to a theater near you. Seriously. It is going to be wild. So I mean, today I pretty much made max on everything I could possibly make on, and there's basically no reason for me to trade now. And no more reason to trade today, other than if I want to jump on Sim and just continue to hang out with you guys. But pandas, we're absolutely killing it. We lost a few soldiers along the way, but pandas, we're absolutely killing it. I mean, we have like so many take profit funded accounts getting ready. And we're gonna crank them. We're just gonna absolutely crank them to the max and make some serious bamboo. I wish on a day like today I could like imagine today, take profit. Just imagine today and take profit. If you just went short here and just held it all day, like one contract would have made $9,000. One contract. Now multiply that by 6. Now multiply that by 5. Today you could have potentially have made 9,000 times 6 times 5. You could have made 200. You could have made $250,000 today. You could have made $250,000 today. It's wild to think, but you could have, like, hypothetically, you could have made $250,000 today with just 550K accounts. Wow. I mean, it's like very hard to have, like, would I have gone short there, like with max contracts and just hold it to, I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know if I would have done that, but people probably did do that. V bottom here. Like I said, people took their profits here. Now you can see clearly, like, this candle's all the bears taking their profits. That's what this candle is. Everyone, all of them closing their positions here. After this strong bear bar, you know, they just got a little bit more and then just took their profits. Pandas! We got our bamboo. So we got max on the 150K TPT count. We passed many 50K accounts on take profit. We made 2K on our Apex accounts. It's a good day. It's a good day. I mean, there are some losses along the way, but ultimately a good day, Pandas. Ultimately a good day. Pandas, you know what? You know what that means? Monday will come back stronger and harder and faster. That's what we're doing on Monday. Pandas! Have an amazing weekend, everyone. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you scalp that like button. I'll see you guys bright early on Monday. We are just absolutely killing it these days here. And with that being said, Pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.